Metrics and KPIs are important. They should be part of your portfolio management anyway, because it's investments. So you have to see whether the investments bring a return. So monitoring is part of it. However, don't forget to also put some KPIs or some metrics on the portfolio management process itself, because that can be improved too. You execute it iteratively, so you can also improve it iteratively. Which metrics, which KPIs, yeah, that's really up to you. The only thing that I would like to recommend, put at least one on the effectiveness of your portfolio management process. And most of the time it's by looking the amount of initiatives being run in parallel. The more you do in parallel, the bigger the dependencies are. The shorter stuff you do sequentially, finish one thing first before you pick up another one, makes you in many cases more effective. And the second thing is, of course, to look at speed. What's the time you need to get an idea into practice? Because then you will get the data to validate. So two things, not too much in parallel, and increase the speed of learning by feeding data into your portfolio management. But in the end, it's up to you. It's your portfolio management process. You know best what you want to achieve with it, and put metrics along. Not just within, but also around Agile portfolio management.